Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will learn to spell and read words with silent G, H, and T. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Gnome. G-N-O-M-E. Let's spell that again. G-N-O-M-E. Gnome. Let's read the sentence. Say, there is a gnome in the garden. There is a gnome in the garden. Gnaw. G-N-A-W. Let's spell the word again. G-N-A-W. Gnaw. Read the words after me. The dog gnawed at the big bone. The dog gnawed at the big bone. Cologne. C-O-L-O-G-N-E. Let's spell that again. C-O-L-O-G-N-E. Cologne. Let's use cologne in a sentence. Say, Alice sprays some cologne on herself. Alice sprays some cologne on herself. Gnat. G-N-A-T. Let's spell it one more time. G-N-A-T. Gnat. Let's read the sentence. The frog eats a gnat. The frog eats a gnat. Hi. H-I-G-H. Let's spell the word again. H-I-G-H. Hi. Read the words after me. The fruit is too high up. The fruit is too high up. Anchor. A-N-C-H-O-R. Let's spell the word one more time. A N C H O R. Anchor. Let's use the word anchor in a sentence. The ship drops its anchor. The ship drops its anchor. Hour. H O U R. Let's spell that again. H O U R. Hour. Read the words after me. The exam lasted for an hour. The exam lasted for an hour. Honor. H O N O R. Let's spell the word again. H O N O R. Honor. Read the words after me. Margie studies well, so she became an honor student. Margie studies well, so she became an honor student. Castle. C A S T L E. Let's spell that again. C A S T L E. Castle. Let's use castle in a sentence. Say, the king and queen live in a big castle. The king and queen live in a big castle. Whistle. W H I S T L E. Let's spell that again. W H I S T L E. Whistle. Read the words after me. The coach blows the whistle. The coach blows the whistle. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. See you in our next spelling session. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.